Hey everybody, my name is Mr. E and
Elizar, Emmanuel,
and we are excited to have you guys join us today. Today we are going to be venturing into a smaller mini series of the adventure of paper airplanes. Come on, let's give it up for paper airplanes. Paper airplanes, they are magnificent. And when you find out too just how you can bring your innovation into airplanes, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some paper airplanes, and then as you follow along, you may find different ways that you could tweak the airplane or whatever like that. Just bring your own innovation to it. So that's what we're asking. With this, yes, you still need your imagination adventure cap. So let's go ahead and grab that real quick. It's a different type that we're going to be using, but it's all adventure. Grab your imagination adventure cap. Put it on. Bam! With this, you're most definitely going to need like your listening ears and eyes. So grab your listening ears. Whoop. Let's put them on. Bam! And we just want you guys to follow along with us. And this is great for family to go along, do this together, free time. You have an opportunity to make some airplanes. All right? We're excited. Come on along with us.
Yep.
All right. So now we are going to be making the Saber-tooth. Saber-tooth. All right. This one we got from the henryford.org. They have some downloads on their innovation part. So you can look this up and we'll have the link for you guys so that you can follow it in our description and all of that good stuff. So the first thing that we are going to do
is fold it.
Nope. We're going to fold hot dog style
Hot dog.
down the middle.
I already did my hot dog. So
One fold over down the middle. It's going to be this main line.
I don't know what to do next.
We're going to fold over.
I know what to do next.
Then, hold on you guys, because we got people following us. So we got to be fair to everybody else.
You can pause it. I already did that.
See, you had yours folded the wrong way. There. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is to bring the folds down to the middle. You can see these two lines right here. So there is a triangle captured. Okay?
Yep.
Step 3, what we're going to do is fold our paper over. And we're going to fold the triangle down. We're going to fold this part right here over.
Yeah, but the back is still the same. I'm like, oh, no.
Everybody see that?
No.
On our crinkle paper.
Crinkles.
So the next thing we're going to do
is crease.
Flip over again.
And then fold it like a normal airplane.
Nope.
Nope. You said that you did this.
Flip over to the back.
Was that the last
We're going to flip over again and fold the right corner to the center line. That's right. So we're going to do these lines right here. You're going to fold the right corner, or it may be the left on how you're viewing it, to the center line. You're going to take one corner, fold it to the center,
do the same thing on
and you're going to
the
do
other
the
side.
same thing on the other side.
It's like from the beginning. But
So now you should be looking like this.
Yep, so far so good.
All right, step 5. Okay, now we're at step 6. We're going to flip it over.
Okay. Oops, yeah, I flipped it over a little bit too hard.
All right. Now we are going to fold the top point
the bottom
down to this point. We're going to fold this point right here down to here. Okay? Just like that.
This is a hard crease. Good job.
So you see you have that fold.
Good job, viewers out there. You said viewers.
This one. All right. Step 8. We're going to flip back over. There's a lot of flips in this plane. We're going to flip back over. And we're going to do like our, for those of you all that do origami, it's like this cool little fold on this side. So you're going to lift up this pocket right here
Fold it like
on
that.
the side and flip it and fold it in just like
same
that.
Thing with the other side.
I'm going to do it one more time.
Not even.
So this is what you have right here. You're going to take this right side, this pocket. See, this pocket right there. And you're going to fold it up.
It's like 2 points sticking out when you...
Yep. And then you're going to take the other side, same deal.
And when you flip it over, there's something cool. It's not even, so... Yeah, I did that. That's what I was about to do, but I thought that was wrong, so I didn't do it. It's a butterfly.
All right. When I saw this originally, I was like, how did they do this without cutting the paper? And that's how they did it. All right. So the next step that we have to do is we're just going to flip over.
And it should look like a heart if you did the last step.
It looks like a heart when you flip it over.
Yep.
And then you're just going to fold it. That means that we're almost done. Almost done. Make sure that you have an even fold.
Like this.
So after you fold it over, then you're going to fold down to about this point right here.
I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to do what I'm doing.
Did you flip it over to the heart side?
And yep. When you're done folding both wings, it should look like a diamond when you hold it. Like this. It's a diamond.
Same thing to the other side.
You ain't going to help me.
Yep. Hold on. And then the last 2 steps that you're going to do, take the bottom of this wing right here, give you a nice little fold up. Then you flip over and fold up.
And you're all done. Good job, viewers out there. Not me, I'm not done. You did the saber tooth. I don't know why they call it that though. It's not
because
saber.
It looks like the saber tooth teeth.
Inside it's like a tooth. Oh. I can't wait to test fly these.
I think this was.
You mean this one?
You messed up on a few little folds, but I think it is still.
Hey, my name is Heartface.
And some of these is going to be, and we wanted to show like everybody's journey in making planes. Some planes are going to
be difficult, some are not.
Turn out
ugly.
Different than others, and you just keep trying. One thing that I believe in with Mr. E, the more you practice,
the better you get.
The better you get.
And there's actually a song about that he made.
And I do. I have a song about that. Yours is a little uneven, but we're still now.
No.
This is where we are going to get ready for
test flight.
Because my first plane messed up, but we're going to fly these and
Thank you, rest in peace.
See what they look like. All right. Wow. That was super fun. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to see how your planes flew. We love to go outside and fly our planes, so that's what we're going to do. But please, if you have an opportunity to fly your plane, film it. Show like sometimes it's the way that you throw the plane that brings success. Sometimes it's the way that the wind is blowing that shows success. So let us know if you have an opportunity to film your flight. Send it to MrEintheD@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our video, to our page, Mr. E and the D, at YouTube or YouTube.com / Mr. E in the D. Boom! Last but not least, remember, life is beautiful. Make it an adventure. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Peace!
When I'm reading words, it takes me to another place. When I'm reading